Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix YouTube error loading tab to retry on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and when you have opened your YouTube and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen and guys, now you need to open your settings. Click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And if you're using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device. And now you have to scroll it down and here you will see the option of screen time. Scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions and you have to remove all the restrictions from your iPhone. And after this you need to click on general and guys you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to go back. And here you will see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on this one and guys, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem. After doing reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. And guys, if still not fixed your problem, you have to check your date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And guys, after this, you need to check for iOS update. If you will find any update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing all these settings, you have to go back. And guys, now you have to check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then guys, you have to open your app store here. And here you need to search YouTube. So guys, as you can see here, you have to open your YouTube here and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, all the problems will be fixed. So guys, after doing update, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to do the another method. The another method is you have to go back, open your settings here. From here, you will see the option of general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this, you will find here YouTube. So guys, simply you need to find your YouTube, open your YouTube here. As you can see, and guys, you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after doing this method, all the problems will be fixed that you're facing on YouTube. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.